Greetings! Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome to another Devs and Holders meeting. It's 8th of July 2021 and with me is Maciek Orłoś. Greetings!
Hi.
Hi everyone. So let's get straight to it. Hello everyone, if you're here, leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, shoot your comments in the chat. And we are going straight forward to BigShortBets Twitter. Feel free to join and leave a like and follow on our Twitter. And first thing we got is a bait from the sandbox. We're gonna get right to it, how you can join the sandbox. But as you see, it's one of the first baits that you can also see on our Twitter. So if you want the fresh insights from one of our users, you can read it here. And well, as well, we'd love you to join. We'd love you to join the sandbox, obviously. But well, you can read the news about the China investments right here before anyone else. This is the goal.
Yes, exactly. So as you can see, some of you on our Twitter for some while ago, there are posts regarding this content from our sandbox platform. There are many posts on the platform so far regarding analysis, good analysis, maybe some also the inside info from around the world. Especially we have a guy from China who posts a lot of stuff. We have a guy who works on the shipping containers. We have some people that do analysis of stocks and so on. And so that's I wanted to show you, and that's why this type of content is appearing on our social media and Twitter especially. And yeah.
Yeah, and as you can see, it seems to be legit because as every bait you can leave a thumb up or a bait down. As you can see, it got 86% approval rate. You can join for the conversation in the comments. So you can always see for yourself if this is the information you want or if it's useful for you. And as well, you can join entire groups, as Maciek said, groups regarding cryptocurrencies or other kind of bets or anything else on the platform.
Yes.
And as well,
yes, exactly. We will show you later on.
Yeah, and as well, our public sale countdown has started. It starts on 15th of July at 8 p.m. Central Europe Standard Time. For more information, well, obviously, join BigShortBets.com to see the countdown. Public sale starting soon. It's a big news. You should remember about that. So, Maciek, back to you.
Yeah, so I'll take the screen from now on. I will show you some stuff on our website. And you can see on our website, there's already the countdown has started. When the clock hits the 0, our public sale will start. But this is not the most important thing I want to show you. Like we said before, the token is just additive addition to everything we're building, but the most important stuff is the tool, what I want to show you. So on our website you have the toolbar, which you can see how many deactive accounts. This number goes up day by day. Almost every day I can see that the number is getting bigger. Over here you can see the chart, how the amount of the active accounts changing over time. You can see that we're going it's a very nice uptrend, and we want to keep that going on. And below, what is a very important thing, besides the basic information about the platform and of course links to our devs and hodlers meeting, below you have all the releases. Our good guys from DevOps, every week we have some updates regarding the platform, and all the details regarding these updates you can find below. And this is the most of thing which I wanted to go through with you, is the how to sign up to our Sandbox platform. There's a graphic going on social media. I don't know if Mikołaj can show it for a second. You can find this graphic on our Telegram and both on our Twitter as well. I think you have to dig a little bit to get to this graphic, but I want you to dig it to get through all the stuff that we are posting, because that's the point.
It's right here.
And this is yes, exactly. And those are easy 3 steps how to access the Sandbox platform. It's very easy, it's very convenient in my opinion, and to get this amount of privacy and encryption. Those 3 steps are pretty easy. Normally you have to use VPNs, a lot of kind of stuff like that. Here you just need to download the Tor browser, download MetaMask for it, and later on you just pass the address and you can log on to our platform. And Mikołaj, if you can give back me my screen.
Sure. It's actually very easy because I've done it today. It took me just 10 minutes to do it, and you can go straight and join entire groups and the conversation, and well, obviously post your first
yes, and I wanted to just to go through that quickly with you to show you it's very easy. So basically, just click the link that we have provided. You're gonna have the Tor browser. You're gonna download the Tor browser which is most suitable for you, which is maybe it's Windows, maybe it's Linux, maybe it's OS X. It's for Android as well. So download which is most suitable for you. The next step is to after you download the Tor and install the Tor browser, you just have to type this address in your Tor browser, which is the MetaMask download site, and it will, like mentioned, it will suggest the MetaMask version for Firefox, because some of you might not know the Tor browser is just slightly modified Mozilla Firefox browser. Just modify it to be more private and more secure than normal Mozilla Firefox browser. So then you just install the extension and you just add it to Firefox as normal plugin to your browser, and you're ready to go to download to access our platform. So basically what is written over here, after setting up your MetaMask, you just pass the following address in your Tor browser. Yeah, so let us see if we just pass the address here. Yes, so there's a window which shows just log into BigShortBets. So you just click connect with MetaMask that you installed before. Here you have which account you want to use to connect with the site. I use account number 2, and you don't have to have any Ethereum or BigShortBets right now to access the platform. It's free because Sandbox is our alpha version of the final product we have. But later on, you're gonna have to have BigShortBets tokens, BigSB tokens to access the platform. It will gonna be at least one BigSB token to get the access. Yeah, and now what? I click next. So it's gonna view the address of your permitted accounts. So like I mentioned before, the only information about you that the platform needs is only your Ethereum wallet address that you're using for logging in to the platform. Yeah, so I click connect. You see connecting. Then you have signature request. I click sign, and bam, I'm in the platform. It's just easy as it sounds. It's very, very easy. And you can see my rank is fishy right now. So I don't do very much posts. I just try to overlook them if everything is cool, everything is right. But so far so good. I didn't see any bad things popping on the platform. So yeah, as you can see, we added the new functions, which are the hashtags. Those are the most we try to diversify our platform for different users from around the world, and that's why we diversified. The main hashtags are diversified by the language that you're using. So if I click the Polish language PL hashtag, you're gonna show the especially the Polish posts that people are doing. You know, there are pretty good insights in Polish as well. So already. But which is the most important for our international community, we have English hashtag. Yeah, so this is this is especially done for our English community, because so far our full project started in Poland and we started doing international. So that's why some of the posts on the platform might be from Polish community, because they are the biggest community so far. But we're gonna change that, so be ready for that. But we already prepared the tools for changing that. As you can see on the left top corner, if I'm starting using the BigShortBets platform, the logo changes from the normal BigShortBets word to our main logo, this whale that we're gonna blow up when the final version of the app gonna pop out. So yeah, and as well we added the sorting. So here we have how you can sort the baits. You can sort from newest first and oldest first. You can choose whatever you like. Newest first is a default probably, and you can, if I click the oldest first, you can see the first one is by Morgar 4D. I don't know if I can, you know, tell the identity of this guy, but he's our project manager from DevOps. But you can probably know it already because he popped on some other streams that we had. So yeah, if we come back from the newest, we can see that there is some good stuff here, juicy, and good analysis. Here we have Anaconda analyzing some CTU's pharma. CTU's pharma, and we have very good analysis of here. We have this guy is analyzing their share, their price, their plans, and everything like that. You can see that this is not some normal, I don't know, pump and dump that you can see on the different social media, that you just have that you buy this or buy that. No, you have solid fundamental analysis of this, analysis of the price and stuff like that. Is going on and on and on. I can scroll and you can see, if you like my post, clickbait up. Obviously I did it because I like the post pretty much. And as well, you have invitation for pump and dump group. You know, there's guy has his own group. So let's check it, you know, because I'm curious, how does this group look? So you can pass this address and let us see what's here. Oh, so yeah, actually you have this group. I'm the member already. I didn't remember putting myself in this group, or maybe I did. It was maybe after a party or something, so pardon me. And you can see debates in this group. Still, all the groups are being under development, so you can see that there is some help to build community posts and welcome baits.
The greetings posts, yes.
You can see really like deep stuff. Time to be great, time to be above other people, time of the era of happiness. Let's show how great are we. That's a good stuff. I like it very much. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is how the group looks. As you can see, I can leave the group. Maybe for the presentation reasons, I'm gonna click to leave the group. Oh, and you can see all the information just disappeared and it's not accessible for me. Yeah, and I just lost the info. I can join the group again because I really like this group. Oh, as you can see as well, on the top of that, you can see that, I've got a notification. Nice, let's see who wrote me. Okay, so, gee, would you like some insights on Tesla? Good intel. Okay. Here is some. Okay, let me see. I wanna see his. What's that? Let me see. What did he send? It's in Google. Okay. Oopsie. Okay. I cannot see that. Maybe. Okay. So the YouTube just blocked it. Okay. Okay. Never mind. can't see this one on the screen. Probably is because the Tor browser, the YouTube doesn't really allow the traffic from the Tor browser because it's a bit fishy, like my rank on the platform. But yeah, so as you can see, he sent me another link. Let's see what's that.
That's just the main page, obviously.
So we just come back. Okay, so it's other link to my page. I get it. It is worth reminding that you probably lost all the content from your messages. It's been wiped out. Secured. Everything all right, Nikolai? Because I lost you first.
Yeah, we are back. We are back. Right here. Sorry. Yeah, we are back in action.
Okay, so we are back in action. So yeah, so we wiped out all the messages, all the content in messages, because we needed to implement full encryption.
Yeah, so if you're trying to save something on your messages while on, if you're trying to save something on your messages while you're still on your sandbox, you just might lose it before the final versions come out. So just worry about that.
Yeah, so don't put any important materials. Don't use it as a storage, because like we mentioned before, we implement new functions week by week, and the stuff might be gone, because sometimes when we implement stuff, we need to just wipe it. That's what it was. Oh, Ponsky, something wrong with me. Good stuff.
Good stuff, yes.
Good stuff. Okay, good stuff.
So I just joined recently. So, do you have any recommendations for the groups?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of groups. I went through some groups. Yeah, as you can see, there's some test group because people are testing out some stuff. That's why sometimes debates are, with the test version. This is just newcomers, like, just testing out how to see how it goes. Yeah. And that's why they are not posting anything.
But it's very cool that you added hashtags for English and for Polish. So you don't get really lost.
That's going to be very useful.
The content that you don't understand. Yeah, that's very good. Very good.
Exactly. It's very useful. So you can see in the groups we have crypto trading, we have pre-sale crypto, we have the Polish group Psychologia and Manipulacja, with basically psychology and manipulation. Yeah. Very interesting one. I didn't thought that it's gonna pop out on this kind of platform, but we just publishing the tool, and what's gonna be the content is up to the user, not to the up to us. So I'm actually pretty curious which way it's gonna go, and I'm just can't wait to see. And so we have DAX traders, property insider, government group. Okay, I see some big bosses over here, big fishes already. BSB up testing for everyone. This is Bartek's group, probably from Dev Team. Big Pharma, Steel, International Logistics, Pump and Up group, 94 members. Good number.
Yeah,
I like
join the community, increase security, freedom of information, freedom of speech, freedom of your opinion, and most importantly, everything that's on the platform, it's anonymous and it's safe.
Exactly. So far, maybe it's not 100% as gonna be in our final product, but I still pretty much think that here the anonymity, because we don't, like I said before, we don't store any information about you. You only use your Ethereum wallet address. So basing on that factors, our platform is it's more anonymous than the normal platforms on the internet.
Yeah, and you don't know.
I think that this can be very useful.
Maybe even Nancy Pelosi is on our platform, because she had some intel. She had some secret intel. So
Yeah, she
anyone
had some
that's
good intel.
anyone that wants any kind of a good intel, just remember public sale countdown has started 15th of July 2021 8 p.m. Central Eastern Standard Time. For more information, go to BigShortBets.com.
Yes, and remember, the supply is pretty much limited because we are closing the phase one of our project, and based on that, we have a cap, which how many tokens we want to sold, and in the public sale, we're just selling the rest of the 10 million biggest bet tokens. It's about 3 million. So basing on what we sold already, it isn't that much, and maybe go quickly. So keep in mind and join as soon as the public sale starts, because you might be too late. So just a quick reminder: supply for the public sale is limited. So
Okay.
yeah, so thank you very much to being with me. I
you.
show you what I wanted to show. I think the explanation on how to log on our platform was pretty nice and pretty clear.
Yeah, as I told you, Maciek, it took me just 10 minutes and I've done it today.
Exactly, 10 minutes to get the privacy and the anonymity that everyone of us needs. So
And
I think that's a pretty fair trade.
Yeah, and if you need all the links and the instruction, just go hop on the website, or you can go to the Twitter where you got the infographics about that. So make sure to join the BigShortBets Twitter as well.
Yes, and of course, if you have any problems, just like join our Telegram chat. You can join the Telegram groups through our website on links. If you can quick, Vonsky, if you can quick screen.
Sure.
Show me my screen. I'm gonna show you one stuff.
And you can also visit the website BigShortBets.com for all the information. And I think this is where we lost our internet, as far as I'm concerned. And other than that,
yeah, it actually we finished when I finished, so yes. It's all from me guys. Lucky. Today. I hope we get through all this stuff pretty easy. I show you it's very easy to log on our Sunburst platform. And yeah, I heard we had another guest today. I don't know,
yes,
it is our project star.
Yes,
a guy without him wouldn't be possible, but it is.
This is what I was saying just right before we got it cut. We got Bartek with us, who's our dev manager, the head, the brain behind all the juicy updates they are planning, and everyone's waiting. Here it is. Here he is. Bartek, welcome on board.
Hi everyone. I'm just a humble project manager and not the brain of this project. The brain is our guys who just coding. Yeah, I am just pointing the right directions. Is all what I'm just doing, right? So the humble small task to do.
Yeah, you guys doing really great job. Thank you for all the updates. There are still few things, obviously, but we're happy to hear from our community as well. All the things they notice that they would like to have, and we are more even happy that you're so eager for all the updates and changes. Okay, I'm glad everything.
Yeah, exactly. I want to add this here because maybe you just realized that after we released the encryption for our private chats group, there was a problem with the MetaMask when you are connecting the Trezor or Ledger, right? The hard wallets, and the problem was that the communication just changed between the MetaMask and this wallet, and we need to just make a two-step back to just fix that and resolve this problem. But the good news is that we just changed that problem to the opportunity, and right now it will be easier to us to deliver. I can say that, for example, the Coinbase wallet or maybe the Wallet Connect. So this is the different way to connect our application. Thanks that. So yeah, I think that's the good news, that we don't depend only on MetaMask. So it's something that happened with MetaMask, we will still, I mean, the user will be still able to log into application. So I'm quite happy that we changed the issue and problem to the opportunity, and I'm quite proud of my team.
Yeah, well said. Well said. More wallets, more alternatives on how our new users can join. One more time, you get all the information on how to do it right here.
Yeah, exactly. So right now I want to just show you the few things that,
Sure.
yeah, so there were still some changes, right? And just double check that if I just still an application and just log, yeah. Uh, yeah, so first of all, Maciej just mentioned that we added the way to improve and to speed up a little bit the filtering out mm, the hashtags with the language, right? But maybe you
Yes.
don't realize, but we added one more significant change that I think will be comfortable for you when you will be adding debate, because right now the Tor browser, our application Tor browser, is checking what is your basic language. The default language always is in English. It will be in. We want to add you an option to change the language of the application, but if you click on the add debate, the system will be suggesting the first hashtag, and it will be the language that you are set for your application. And thanks that you need to enter less information, less data, and it will speed up a little bit the adding the debates. And if you adding debates with the Polish, right, in a Polish or in English, please just keep this in this way, or maybe change that to your language, and it will be helpful for everybody. But you need to keep in mind that we want to start our the marketing for everybody, right, for an international marketing part, right, and it helps people with English and other languages to see only the things that they need, because it's quite hard when you, for example, you're a Polish guy and you open the platform where is only, for example, information in Chinese. For you, it will be, let's say, inconvenient situation, and you don't
Yeah.
want to stay in that place. So this is why we just start with that, and I think that it's change that allows you to quickly just increase our capability to increase our visibility and everything for you, right, for international users. And like Maciej said, there is a lot of new information then going, and please, I want to encourage you to just give your reactions and comments under this debates, because if there we start, an application just start getting new users. They want to share the informations and knowledge with you. So it will be nice to to give them back at least the reactions and the comment to to appreciate what they did for us in application. I think that this is the thing. But I want to show you that we increase your capability to answer, be more response in the comment section. So if you see that comment, you can see that there is new button here, and you can just add comment to the comment, and it will be the let's say, how can I turn it on, for example, right? And if I click on that, the comment will be, overlapping under this comment, and there will be, like a Facebook, something like that, and you can respond to my comment, but still it will be in the same, let's say, discussion with under this comment, right?
Yeah, so
So
it's
if you
less chaotic, it's more solid, and the
yes,
conversation is yeah, well
I
placed.
I think that it's it's I sometimes I see is and I can I saw some discussions in the comments that they are everybody just discussing about different things, and it was quite chaotic. I think that it helps you to stay in the places. Of course, if there is more comments, you can just hide this on the show the all the list, and so on, and as well, if you just let me just quickly just open up once again that. You can open that and you can see the responses, so it won't be the spam on your wall. Only on your request you can see the discussion below this comment. So I think that it's good news that we won't, increase the number of information on your screen. It's only on your request will be visible, right? Second thing is that we on the groups we start adding and testing some statistics for you. It will be still we are working on that, right? But maybe if you need some statistic, because right now it's hard for you to predict what is in a group, right? And but the group should be, let's say, transparent in some way, but private in the other way. And it's quite hard to meet these two requirements, right? And for example, you can see how many bytes is adding every day, right? The average reputation. We're still working, of course,
So
on
you
that.
can see how active the group is.
Exactly. Maybe you don't know what is the content there, but you can just assume that, for example, if there is, because in the future the you can enter the groups, for example, only by paying the coins, and it will be the the basic information that helps you to decide it. Because if you see that there's a group is only with one token, it's this it looks like a scam. You don't want to invest in that group, right? But if you see that it's a group, I think that there is group with 22 users with almost so much in this amount of Ethereum, or in the future it will be coins, or maybe you can see this here is almost 2 Ethereums in it. So it looks like the users in the group, they are real, right? They are not the fake icons or something like that. And I think that it helps you to make the decision which group could be interesting group, right? And and as well for groups creators, we added something that I think it will be useful. First of all, if you go to your admin panel when you are on the groups, there is there is some new options. Where is the one person that I need to? Yeah, so you can see that, for example, this account here, right? I can add this as a moderator. Moderator, of course, is the user that can help you with maintaining your group, but can't kick you or ban. I mean, the owner cannot be kicked from group by moderator. It is quite obvious, right? But you can kick from group. Kicks means that the person will be removed from group, but the person can once again sends the request to be added to your group once again. But but ban, it means that the system will block the request for joining back to the group for this person. And so if you click on that, you are sure you can approve that, and the person will be the moderator, right? And for example, we can ban this person as well. And if you ban this person, it will be removed from the list, and you can just go here and you can see this person. But of course, if you decided that you want to change your
okay, so you can unban people as well.
You unban, of course. It's quite, this quite simple and obvious, but I think that it helps you right now to maintain, because I know that some of the groups getting bigger and bigger, and I think that we will in the near future with the authors of the groups will facing the problems with the trolls and maybe with unwanted content, right, in the groups. So this is our priority right now, to give you the option and access to the tools that will help you to maintain the group in a good shape and good quality, right?
Sure,
and yeah, so yeah.
It's very important because what you just mentioned, it's real people supporting each other, giving themselves intel between each other. And I think that the most important thing you said, that we encourage everyone to basically be active. If you join the sandbox, try to be active, just leave some either comments or replies to other people's baits. Because, well, this is what we gotta do, and well, test obviously just as well on the sandbox. And it's not really that hard to join. This is what Maciek said before. You can find it on our Twitter and the BigShortBets.com how to join the sandbox. And what Bartek has said at the beginning of his part is that for now, you can join, for instance, using the MetaMask wallet, but soon enough, it will be even more alternatives on how you can easily join the community and well, as well, any other groups, and go be active, and well, use all the intel for whatever reasons you might feel like you need, or you can share. So that's cool. That's cool. Everything you said.
Yeah. So
Yes.
I think that Maciej want to add something because I saw your message on our application. Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to add to one thing, that our project manager Bartek, that he's a star and he's gonna be a speaker on our soon-to-be conference on the 16th.
Okay. And
We're not to
is he
start.
back?
Yeah, Maciej want to say that we have a meeting with you guys. You can just join the Warsaw call if you will be in a city, right? And if maybe you're in Poland, and there will be meeting that we want to introduce some information about our scope of the work, right? The way how we want to integrate with the vendors, because it's quite important about the security in the application itself, and for you how to increase your security and so on. And as well, our founder Rafa will say about a little bit more about the idea, about the mission and goal that we want to achieve. So I think that it will be 4 or 5 hours, very intense meeting with a lot of knowledge that you can get. I'm afraid that it will be in the Polish because it's for in the Poland, right? But if you want to meet with us, speak, and just ask us something, face to face, and you don't worry about your anonymity, so you can just always join. I think that maybe I don't know if much you will share the event on the Telegram for everybody, or how it will be proceed. But yeah, for sure you should be able to somehow found some information about this in about this presentation.
Yeah, exactly. And after that, there's gonna be a party. A BigShortBets party as well, connected with the trading jam session community from Poland. And so yeah, all the hodlers are invited for that party. So feel free to join us out there, meet us there. You can have a drink, chat with us, anything you like, because that's why we are there for. So yeah.
Yeah, the main goals of probably what even Rafa will say on the meeting of the entire platform of BigShortBets is basically to make a big and huge community which will share the information with each other, using it against the whales, obviously, but also for whistleblowers, because the most important ideas are security and freedom of information, freedom of speech, and the freedom of opinion. It's all those values that are behind this project, and well, as you see, it's all the faces meeting each other. What is it? The 15th, 16th, just a week from now. But also a week from now, there is going to be another big thing, which is public sale countdown, which has started and starts on 15th of July 2021, 8 p.m. Central Eastern Standard Time. So leave a follow on Twitter to be updated. And as well, we hope you guys are updated with what our guests Maciek Orłoś and Bartek, the dev manager, has shared with you today. And well, we're probably gonna see each other next week on another devs and holders meeting.
We surely be. Thank you everyone for coming today. I hope you had a great time. I hope you know now how easy it is to access our sandbox platform.
Yes.
And yeah, join us on the party, join us on the conference to see more insight from the project. I know that the whole conference would be recorded, and we're going to translate it for our international community as well. And it's going to be published on our YouTube channel. So if you're going to miss it because you can't come, obviously for any reason, you're going to have a chance to see what we were talking about, and to see what project about Iris and what our values are, what is our DNA. And like Mikołaj said, the freedom of information, anonymity, and decentralization associated with the blockchain technology. So yeah, but
and it's all for you, and it's for the community.
Exactly, it's for us. You are the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Orwa, and thank you, Bartek, for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you. Like always, yeah, I'm quite happy that we can just deliver everything for you, and I'm proud that we are getting more and more information for you, and you are start using that so comfortable and some in some convenient way that. So yeah, join our group, the dev group, on a Tor application, because I want to share there with you some information. So yeah,
go BigShortBets.
Yeah.
Yeah, go BigShortBets. Boy.
Yes, okay. Thank you. Take care. Leave a thumbs up. Share this live. And we see you next week for another update. And good luck. Good luck, guys.
bye.
Bye. See ya. Woo, go BigShortBets.